Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a good Wednesday. It's June 29th. GME. Pretty even today. We're gonna look at that. Call credit spreads on it, some options. SPY. BRCC made a big run today. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. Our Twitter is in the description. If you'd like to follow us on there, it's at Happy Money YT. Nice little meme I shared last night. Our Discord server is also linked in there as well. Feel free to join. This one, BRC looks pretty good. It's pretty overbought, so I haven't gotten a position, but nice volume. Daily. Hasn't fully, today's candle didn't fully open, or didn't open above the 9, but yeah, we'll see. I might take a position. See how that goes. So I think I maybe misspoke about GDP. It's not the new GDP numbers that came out. It's, I don't actually quite get it, but it's not technically a recession until the next GDP numbers, I think. At any rate, here we are. SPY. Powell did speak this morning at this thing. I don't even know what it was, but some sort of forum, and market didn't really react to it. It does look like it's kind of trading in a range. Looks like it will kind of chop. We've got PCE numbers, I think, tomorrow morning. Some sort of data set that could affect the market. Maybe cause it to rally, maybe dump. Hard to know. It looks on the daily, I mean, we still have bullish momentum. It's kind of holding that support still. That's 380. It looks like we're kind of in this kind of range of kind of consolidation. So with that, I would imagine maybe a little bump tomorrow, and just kind of trade in the range for a bit. Coming into holiday, 4th of July on Monday, so Monday's closed. Since we've kind of been in a downtrend, since we've been in this bear market, oftentimes Fridays have been red, people just not wanting to hold over the weekend. So wonder if we'll have a little bounce tomorrow and then kind of a sell-off into Friday. Not sure, but also coming into a holiday weekend, I might want to rally the markets. We'll just see. Short term on SPY, yeah, it's kind of just holding that support. So looks like it'll either stay here or go up, or not a real clear trend at this point. Only thing I'm seeing is kind of a range that it's making. GME, yeah, kind of stair step down this morning. Had a little rally up just to basically yesterday's little high before it closed, and then shorted back down. Volume was a little better today, I think. At least this morning it was 1.6 yesterday, 1.4 today. So volume ended up tapering back off. On the hourly, we are getting this little divergence, so I'm expecting a little rally on GME tomorrow. That's kind of what I was thinking. SPY might have a little rally. We've got a lower low here on the RSI. Oh wait, yeah, and then a higher low here. This is a lower low, so a divergence. And hourly time frame for those aren't great, but it looks like it might be doing it, because this is also kind of a support back here anyways, this 120 area. So maybe a little rally tomorrow, and then kind of flat to maybe down into Friday. Market's closed on Monday. Our MACD's bearish on the daily. We've got a red under the 9, so that's all bearish. But we haven't had a big move yet. I mean, this was a big move these 3 days, but today's maybe a bit of a relief rally of sorts, and maybe we'll get more of it tomorrow. But if it, it's still holding up above this 117, so I think it will probably drop below that, but we'll have to just wait and see. There was DD. I didn't share it on Discord, but it was lining up the price action with this right here. So basically, this right here would be right about here, I think. And then actually Donro saw it also. So basically this rally right here would be this one. At it? I can't remember. Oh, it's easier to see on the weekly. Let me look at the weekly. Okay, yeah, so kind of similar. So March or sorry, May, this May rally, and then this long short, and this little bump up, and then this kind of bull flag that tapered off. Lining up with this is pretty similar. This is just a shorter time frame. This rip matches this rip, this long Q down, this long Q down to that previous support, basically just like here. Little rip, flattening out. This is that little rip kind of flattening out. So if we are repeating that, looking at a few more weeks, just slowly melting down, which kind of expecting anyways. And then maybe another rally. And this rally, if we match it like that, that would probably be 230 or so if it's the same size move, because this one was breaking that high, which is breaking this high. Yeah. Well, no, it probably wouldn't be that high, but it might be. And what's different too, like, it's interesting to see it back here, but what we have different here is this MACD. This bullish MACD on the weekly is it different? That's showing the momentum is different down here, where it's the pressure down here to move to the upside, I think, is greater than it was here. This was going down much freer than I think what we have here. So not to say we're going to repeat this. We could squeeze, we could have a split, there could be an empty dividend, who knows. If we are repeating this pattern though, yeah, looks like we could be. Then be like that 100 level for support eventually before another rally. Not sure I'll have to wait that long though, because yeah, there's a lot of potential catalysts coming up, as well as this bullish MACD on the weekly. I can't get over that. And I don't see it. I mean, for this to flip bearish, you'd have to take a big move down. So consolidation, maybe a little drop. I know some, Jay Hartman, you're super bullish on it in the next, well, this week. And maybe, I mean, I could see a little move up next day or two, maybe Friday, probably just tomorrow, but maybe like 135. I don't see anything crazy happening though. But anyways, options. So we did, this is all I did today. That's good. Didn't overtrade. I did a little daily SPX put credit spread. I actually closed it out for a loss once the trend went against me. It's just chopping around. Didn't do any covered calls or any scalps like that on GME today. I did move money from the E-Trade because I sold 100 shares on the E-Trade, those 100 that I bought at 200 when GameStop announced the split. Sold those and moved the money to the Theta account. So now I'll be able to basically run another cash secured put on here, 1 to 2 potentially, depending on how low it goes. So kind of just trying to move my money more to the Theta account, since that's where I seem to have most success. And then with E-Trade, just playing with less money with the more aggressive stuff, which is kind of always what I wanted to do. But it gets a little convoluted when I have all these shares in the E-Trade account, so it's kind of confusing to track actually how you're doing, because your shares are going up and down in value, and I don't know, to see realized versus unrealized, it's kind of strange. Birds today, I don't know what's going on with this thing, down 8.9% now. It definitely seems like someone's trying to make it go bankrupt. This thing is just getting obliterated. If you're familiar with this company and you like it, this might be a good time to buy. I don't know. It's kind of it's becoming a longer shot as the price keeps coming lower. But we'll see. I just hope they don't do a reverse split. I'm definitely voting against that if they put it up to a vote. My call credit spread. There it is. Call credit spread on GME. It's doing fine. Only thing green in my account. I'll probably open up more tomorrow on a bump. Close to the money, maybe for next week. These are really nice just because you're not trying to basically time stuff really. You kind of want to time a peak a bit, but you don't necessarily have to, and then just doing close to the money. I'm basically risking $230 here to make 270. And when I open this up, my chance of success, as you saw, well, it's actually changed now, but it was basically half and half. So add a little TA into that, and you're doubling your money with a 50% chance from the market maker. And it works pretty nice. You can roll it over too if you still believe in the move, but not sure I'll have to or not. this is getting kind of bullish into the close. We got about 30 minutes left. MACD on the hourly is wanting to flip. Volume still light, coming in a little bit. It's really just following SPY though, not a huge deal. Okay, so yeah, on here we have the short put on 128. I'll probably have to roll that unless GME closes above 128. I opened that too early. I wasn't patient enough. Got 465 for that one, and then same with this one. Opened up too early, too impatient. Is a 128 short put. Got 469 for that one. Might have to roll those. What was it, yesterday? Oh, actually no, today I think I opened up this one. Yeah, so I opened up a covered call, 124 covered call here on this theta account. I thought about selling this 120 leap, but I'll just hold on to it and keep running covered calls on it. So I've got a 110 covered call and a 124 covered call on this account, and then the Fidelity, basically my margin account for running GME cash secured puts is here. So these are 122 cash secured puts. These might be out of the money by the end of the week. I'm not sure. $1,500 in premium in that, so I'm down with that. If we can kind of do $1,500 to $2,000 a week with cash secured puts and GME, that would be legit. Just have to get them far enough out of the money. When it's in a downtrend, which I think it is, I'm doing like 20 delta or so on the cash secured puts. Those might not be far enough out depending on when you pick it up, because that's changing quite rapidly in the morning, especially with volatility. So if you're just patient and kind of get the timing, 20 delta should outpace it, but it might not, then you have to roll. But if I'm more bullish on it, then I'd probably do like a 35 delta. So anyways, that's what I got for you guys today. Hopefully you had a good day in the market. We'll see you on Discord. Peace out.